Alex? Is it for you? Is it for you? Good morning, welcome back to a new vlog. Today is a Saturday. It is Saturday, May 28th, if I'm not mistaken, and it is about 11 in the morning. Just had breakfast and was cuddling with Alex, but today is going to be a busy day as usual. Oh, actually it is already 12:30. Time is flying by way too fast, but I still need to take a shower and get ready. I actually also really need to finish packing because I am going on a holiday. We are leaving on Tuesday with my mom. We are flying to Egypt in the morning, so I would like to... My voice is going away again. So I would like to finish packing today or tomorrow, and ideally I would also like to film like 1 or 2 videos so that I can edit those on the plane. But since I just saw that it's already 12:30, I'm pretty sure I won't have enough time, so we'll see. My voice is going away again. Oh, this is so annoying. I also wanted to leave having all of the clothes washed, so today is also a laundry day, and I also still have to finish off a couple of things for work, for my online store. I still have quite a lot of things to do, but I'm pretty confident I can manage to do it either today or tomorrow, and I'm going to take you guys along for the journey. So right now I'm going to finish watching a YouTube video, then I'm going to shower, and I still also have an Amazon package to unbox, so I'll definitely do that on camera as well. And then I also am going to show you guys everything that I am packing for my trip to go to Egypt. Alright guys, so I just did a bunch of laundry. My apartment is filled with fresh laundry and it smells so good. But as I mentioned, I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you guys. So I just got in a package from Amazon, and of course I wanted to show you all what I got. So I have been eyeing this for a while now. I wanted a portable like printer that could print photos from my iPhone. So I purchased the Fujifilm Instax Mini Link. So this is basically a portable printer that prints like Polaroid pictures, which I am very excited to try out. And then of course I also ordered some film for it. So I'm definitely going to play around with this either tonight or tomorrow, and I'm very excited to see what the quality of the pictures look like. So yeah, very happy with these purchases. And then a couple of days ago I also ordered a Kindle for my vacation, which also arrived yesterday. So this is what it looks like. I just ordered I think this is the classic Kindle. I read a couple of pages on it yesterday and I love this thing so much. It is so lightweight, like it barely weighs anything. It's so small and compact. I also bought a pop socket for it, that way I can just easily like read like this. I just love it so much. So right now I am reading Verity by Colleen Hoover. I just finished It Ends With Us, which I absolutely loved. So yeah, I'm going to start Verity and I'm going to finish it probably on vacation. Yeah, I thought I would mention this because I absolutely love this. So lightweight, so easy, and I don't have to like pack all of my books, which do weigh a lot. So yeah, and that way I also don't really need to think about how many books I'm going to read. If I want to purchase another book, I can easily do it on here. And then I also started packing, so this is my suitcase, and I also put a bunch of things on the table, so it is going to be chaotic. I think tomorrow I will finish packing on camera. I just laid out a bunch of things here, my underwear. I have a ton of things like thrown in here, so I really need to rearrange it. I have some shoes, sunglasses, chargers, beach bag, and a ton of dresses. I just put out everything so that I can start filming. I'm going to show you guys my setup really quickly. So this is my little setup. And I'm going to film a video on the new Essence products. That way I can edit it when I am on the airplane and really just bored. But before I start filming, I'm going to let Alex out for a walk. And then I also still have to straighten my hair. By the way, we have these new like phone accessories in store. I think I will put them online on Blaise boutique as well. For now they are only available in store, and I decided to get one for myself and put it on my vlog camera. I think it looks really cute, and if I don't have my tripod, I can easily hold my camera like this. So yeah, taking Alex for a walk now, doing the rest of my laundry, straightening my hair, and then I'm going to start filming. Alright guys, I just got done filming one video, but I think it will just be one video for today. Maybe I'll film another one tomorrow, but I did film a review on the new Essence makeup. This is, by the way, the aftermath of filming. It looks absolutely disgusting, so I cannot wait to start cleaning it up. But this is, by the way, all of the makeup that I used in today's video. So yeah, if you're interested in knowing my thoughts on these, definitely keep an eye out on my channel. But yeah, now I'm going to clean everything up, and oh, I still need to make some thumbnails. I almost forgot. But yeah, going to start cleaning up, and then I'll see you guys afterwards. Alright, everything is nice and cleaned up. Don't mind the mess right there. That is trash that needs to go outside. There is something very exciting, however. This hasn't happened in a very long time, but my, what do you call this, hamper is completely empty. There is no Jordy laundry in here left. I cannot remember the last time that happened. However, I do have quite a bit of laundry left. This is the last like load of laundry that I need to fold and put away, and then this is still hanging to dry, and I have a few things outside that are also drying. So I'm going to start on this one, and then I'm probably heading over to my mom's for dinner. Alright guys, so I just imported all of the footage. The laundry is put away. Oh, before I forgot, I did like install the app for the Fujifilm little printer, and I printed 3 Polaroids. I couldn't help myself, so let me show you guys what they look like. So this is a little printer now that I unboxed it, and then these are the Polaroids that I printed out. Some of these are definitely like overexposed. So this one is of me and Alex. This is Alex, and then this is my boyfriend and Alex here at the beach. I love how like vintagey they look, so I am very excited about this purchase. But yeah, now I'm going to take Alex and I'm going to walk over to my mom's for dinner. Alright guys, I just got ready for bed. It is almost 10 in the evening and I am pretty tired, so I'm just going Alex is cuddling with me. I'm just going to cuddle up in bed, watch my book, if it is focusing. There you go. So I'm going to read a little bit in my book, and then maybe also watch a few YouTube videos. So good night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I look so tired, by the way. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It is the next day. I just picked up the camera. It is already 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm sorry, I just was working in bed all morning on my laptop, and then I watched some YouTube videos and had some lunch and just had some me time. So I still need to finish up packing for my trip, because tomorrow I do have to work, and then we are leaving in the evening to go to Brussels because we are sleeping there because our flight is very early in the morning. So all of my devices that I want to bring are currently loading, and I finished taking all of my underwear, bras, these are some t-shirts, and then I might pack a few things from there. But I think aside from that we have everything packed and ready to go. I still need to pack my toiletries, but most of them I still need to use. so I'm going to wait until like the very last minute to do so. My carry-on bag is also almost completely finished. I still need to put my laptop in it, but I still need my laptop tomorrow for work, so I'm just going to try and finish up packing, at least what I can. Okay, I'm actually sweating. That was really hard to do and I still wasn't able to close it. This is what my suitcase looks like so far. I think I will have to take a few things out, but it'll be just fine. I will definitely be able to close it once I take a few things out. But I'm just going to leave it at that because I still need to get a few things out of there and add a few things, so I'm just reassured that I'll probably be able to close it after all. Oh, and I forgot, I still need to add a few things that are hanging right there. So yeah, I'll still need to make a few changes, but yeah. The good news is normally my boyfriend had to work tonight, but he took the evening off so that we can be like together for the last evening before I go away on vacation with my mom. So we'll definitely have a chill night at home. We'll make some pasta, watch our favorite show, and just enjoy each other's company. Now I'm just going to tidy around the apartment and I'll catch you guys later. Guys, I did it. I was able to close it. I just had to take a few things out. I took a few of my t-shirts to sleep in out because I mean, I don't really need those. I am honestly out of breath, but I did it. The suitcase is completely closed. Now that that workout is done, I'm going to relax for a second because, believe it or not, but that was a workout.